Hi guys, here is the honest review of AI Ninja Kit. World's first, complete newbie-friendly technology that lets you tap into 200 plus passive income streams, using artificial intelligence for any offer and niche, with zero prior skills or experience using 200 plus business boosting AI tools, to skyrocket your business growth in a cost-effective manner. Watch how you too can say goodbye to feeling envious of your competitors' success and make $238 each day with no prior tech or marketing skills. 100% ChatGPT-4 powered AI technology that works seamlessly on all devices. Get 200 plus premium, result-oriented AI business tools at the price of one. Instantly create Jasper, copywriter.ai style content and sell to hordes of hungry audiences. First to market, all-in marketing kit to manage all your business needs from one dashboard. Create 200 plus passive income streams and secure your financial future. 48 real beta testers made $238 daily with zero prior tech or marketing skills. Get the first mover advantage and crush your competition. Get real results using result-generating AI prompts instead of using complex prompts. Say goodbye to wasting time logging into multiple AI apps once and for all. Use artificial intelligence to create and sell attention-grabbing marketing assets to hungry audience globally. Nothing to download, install, or customize. Get started in seconds. Limited time commercial license included. 100% easy to use, newbie-friendly technology. Ironclad 30-day money-back guarantee included. Get premium, never offered before bonuses worth $6,658 with your access today. Using these powerful 200 plus artificial intelligence tools. Simple 3-step process. Step 1. Login. To get started, just log into this exciting technology, and let us put your business growth on steroids. Step 2. Create. Now, use the immensely powerful 200 plus artificial intelligence-based tools to grow your business and skyrocket leads, sales and profits. Step 3. Profit. That's it, you're all set to rock and roll. Get ready to witness a tornado of sales like this coming in without doing any grunt work yourself. Here are some of the countless beta users who used AI Ninja Kit to outclass the competition and grow their business. Our real beta testers made commissions like this each day. Now even you can make the same using AI Kit. Use AI Ninja Kit to skyrocket your business growth and take a giant leap over your competitors once and for all. Say goodbye to using complex AI tools that never deliver results. Say goodbye to using complex AI tools that never deliver results. Say goodbye to your marketing managers. Say goodbye to your virtual assistants. Say goodbye to your existing email marketing subscription. Say goodbye to using outdated Amazon product descriptions. Say goodbye to your content creation platform. Say goodbye to your image creation technology. Say goodbye to third-party video creation tools. Say goodbye to your email subject line creator. Say goodbye to using articles that no one prefers to read. Say goodbye to your freelance blog writer. Say goodbye to your Facebook ads manager. Say goodbye to your YouTube content creator. Say goodbye to your social media manager. Say goodbye to your customer support analyst. Say goodbye to your push notification platforms. If you purchase the product from the link in the description box, I am going to provide a free bonus. In order to get that bonus, you can contact me on my Instagram and send me a screenshot of your purchase and I will send you the bonus. Act now and get 12 fast action bonuses worth $6,658 with your access today. Your purchase is covered with our ironclad 30 days money back guarantee. For limited time only, grab it today for $17 only one time.